This RE/MAX Select Property video is presented by Tracy Wisnant. 3-bedroom 1.5 bath brick ranch home in established neighborhood in City of Shelby. Home is built with an open floor plan. The living room has a brick fireplace with gas logs. Kitchen has an electric cooktop stove, wall oven and breakfast bar. Primary bedroom has a cedar-lined walk-in closet. Primary bath is a half bath. Bedroom 2 has sliding doors to the rear deck. Bedroom 3 has a clothes closet and a linen closet. Laundry/storage room off of the carport has built-in shelving and a gas wall heater. The gas dryer remains. Home has an attached single carport and an extra parking pad. The unfinished basement has a single garage door and is accessed from the outside only. The home has a covered rocking chair front porch and a large rear deck. For more information